Hey everyone, Maria Mitchell here bringing you another face painting tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to face paint this really cool Sonic Hedgehog face painting design for the boys and the girls, obviously. Now there's a few characters in the Sonic #2 movie and you're able to switch it up with this and just use the different colors. So there's a grey one, a red one, etc. So the brushes that I've used is a 3/4 inch flat angled brush. I do prefer the angled brushes. For some reason, I just have more control over the tip color and the heel of the brush colors. So that's what I've used for the overall color. I've used a half circle sponge to dab on the white around the eyes and the turquoise, which you could pick up from the split cake which I've used. I don't know what color this is. There's plenty of blue turquoise split cakes out there, so I'm sure you'll be able to find one. So you could pick up the turquoise from that or match it with one of your solid colors on your face painting kit. So I've used those, and I've used a number 4 to 6 round brush for the outlining, and a number 4 to 6 flat brush for the highlights of the Sonic Hedgehog's face paint. So pretty easy to learn. With a lot of practice, you'll be able to whip this up in no time for those fussy boys that need to be painted quick and can't sit still. So this is a nice and easy one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions about anything that I've missed. All right, enough with the chit chatter. Let's get started. To start off, I've loaded up my half circle sponge with some Fusion White. Try not to make it too soggy. And we're just going to start from the inner of the eye, and we're going to do a little bit of a dab on the white, sort of in an angle like that. Okay, and on the other side, just a little bit past the eyebrow up there, and then down the bottom. Now I've grabbed a split cake. I'm not too sure which one this is because the label has been torn off. But I'm going to grab a split cake with blue and turquoise, and I'm going to match the turquoise with a solid color that I have in my kit. Or you could just pick it up from the inner of that split cake. So I'm going to start off with just dabbing some turquoise along here. And Sonic's ear up there. I'm going to pick up that split cake. I'm going to pick up the dark blue and aim to pick up just the dark blue and the turquoise. So first I'll start at the nose. I'm going to come up, around, making sure the blue is pointing inward to the face, around, in. Repeat on the other side. the third flick, just a small one. So from here we're going to join it in to his ears. Join the outside by doing just some flicks in. Loaded up my brush again as I'm running out of paint, so I'm going to continue with the ears. Grabbing the turquoise that you used earlier on and just dabbing to mix, to blend in the turquoise with the blue. Loading up some black with my number 6, 7 or 8 round brush. And we're going to start our line work. To begin, I just want to start with his nose. Now we're going to leave a section here for the shine, because white on black sometimes doesn't come out as vibrant, so we'll just leave it nice and plain there for the white to go on top. I just want to start where the flicks of his hair go, so I'm just going to start here, push it out, in, pressing down, pressing out, and lifting your brush out, lift brush, and join, lift. We're just going to meet it all up. Now where his ear is, I'm going to outline it, and then outline the rest of Sonic's mask. His ears. Just to give his ears a bit of dimension, I like to always put just a little dot, a dab of white where the ear is. I've just dabbed it with the dry side just to smudge it in, blend it in a bit. And now grab your brush again, and from here we're going to do the lobe. And from this side as well, we're going to do the lobe above where that white part is. Now I've got a number 4 round brush here, and I just want to go around and do some highlights, and that's pretty much it for your Sonic Hedgehog face painting design. So we pick up the white nicely. I like to heavily load my white so I get a lot of it. So I'm going to start with the little shine on his nose. So I'm going to start there, just do a comma down, and I'm going to highlight his ears, highlight the front, this is where his eyes are, side, top of his ears, and of course his these highlights that we do make a world of a difference, just to give your design just that extra bit of dimension to it. All right, now I've taken my BAM stencil number 2016 and I just want to go ahead and just do some very slight stars. Give it a bit of dimension. And I'll do it along the side here. Secret to using these stencils is make sure that that your sponge isn't completely saturated. Make sure that it's half dry. And there you go. There's your Sonic Hedgehog face painting design for you to go ahead and execute. The boys love this, and it is an absolute winner for kids' parties, and it's a great boy design. Thanks for watching.